Example 3. A photon is moving at a speed much less than the speed of light. It has kinetic energy k1 and momentum p1. If the momentum of the photon is doubled, so p2 is equal to 2p1. How is its new kinetic energy k2 related to k1? So we need to calculate what will be the new kinetic energy k2 in terms of k1. And option B, a photon with energy E1 has momentum P1. If another photon has momentum P2, that is twice P1, how is the energy E2 of the second photon related to E1? So let us solve this. So in option a photon whose initial kinetic energy, let it be K1, and whose initial momentum is P1. And if the momentum of the particle become twice, means P2 is equal to 2P1, then what will be its new kinetic energy in terms of K1? So we know that momentum is equal to under root of 2mk. So we can write P1 by P2 is equal to under root 2mk1 by under root 2mk2. So what we can write? P1 by P2 is equal to under root 2mk1 by 2mk2. So 2m 2 get cancelled. So P1 by, we know P2 is equal to 2P1. So 2P1 is equal to root of K1 by K2. So P1 P1 get cancelled. If you square on both sides, 1 by 4 is equal to K1 by K2. Therefore, new kinetic energy K2 is equal to 4 times of K1. This is the relation for K2 in terms of K1. And in the option B, a photon whose energy is E1 and momentum is P1. If momentum becomes twice, if new momentum is 2 times of initial momentum, then what will be its energy in terms of E1? So this is not kinetic energy, but this is energy. So we know that energy is equal to mc square. So energy is equal to mc into c. So energy is equal to momentum into c. So from this what we can write, E1 by E2 is equal to P1C by P2C. CC get cancelled. So finally what we get? E1 by E2 is equal to P1 by, and P2 is 2 times of P1. So 2P1. Therefore E2 will be equal to 2E1. So energy, new energy will be equal to 2 times of initial energy.